think she's okay. A few minutes later. Oh no, she's still down. Ma'am, are you okay? She might be down. No, her heart might be actual. No breathing. Graham, you call 911 and get the AED. 911. You have an emergency. Lady's down. They're coming. They're coming. They are coming. They're gonna come soon. Pass me the AED. Pass me. I got it. You think maybe I could do it. Graham, you do this.
Apply
Very
pads
lightly.
to patient's bare chest. Plug in pads connector next to flashing light. Apply pads. Plug in connector. Analyzing heart rhythm.
I can do it.
Do not touch the patient.
Stand back. Stand clear. Okay. I'm gonna be the
Shock advised. Charging. Stay clear of patient.
Stand clear.
Deliver shock now. Press the orange button now. Shock delivered. Paused. Begin CPR.
I can do it. Let me do it. She's alive, people!
Thank you, rescuers.
You're welcome. Go take these cats out of here.